Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, Link has pushed above the key pivot. I think it did that already yesterday. We talked about that in the last video. That has already increased probabilities for the white scenario. And we are probably going to look at invalidation of this immediate ABC structure. So the bulls are still pushing. And as I said to you before, the third wave in white needs to get to $17.50. There are many things that can go wrong along the way. I know sentiment is switching quickly again, but yeah, it's still a corrective structure, which can develop into a 5-wave move. Yeah, nobody says it can't. We just needed to see a break above resistance for a first indication that the bulls are trying to get control. And this is precisely what we're seeing right now. What I can do, I can now take out the resistance. And it looks to me as if this ABC structure will be invalidated. It's not invalidated yet. But what I've done for some charts, including AVAX, I've shifted the X wave here. And this gives us actually, let me just double check that. This gives us a count. Basically, yeah, it gives us the next, let's say, bearish option. Why do we need to have a bearish count, you might ask? Because it's important for risk management. We need to know the pivots where the price could get rejected. And I've got that already on the chart as the 100% extension. So that's what I would call the X wave target. Why is that the X wave target? Because within the X wave, we have an ABC structure, and the C wave tends to reach the 100% extension. We're not even there. So we're moving from bearish to bearish count, and once we can rule them out, the bullish count is confirmed. What is important is that the bulls develop 5 waves up, right? So that's important. So far, the momentum is still up. And a break above $14.72, which is, as I said, the ideal X wave target, a break above it will not invalidate this sort of short-term bearish count. Bear in mind, it's still bullish, but short-term bearish count. But it would open the door for a rally to 1750. And once we get to the 1750 level, I can add support for wave 4. Bear in mind that we had a similar rally here, but after the third wave it failed. Something similar here, after the third wave it failed. And this is why there will be bearish alternatives here and bearish scenarios along the way, because the base from which this is starting is corrective, right? That rally is an ABC structure. And therefore this is a corrective base. Therefore, I haven't got any 5-wave move, and that means we're just moving from bearish to bearish, yeah, let's say alternative or count. Yeah? Very important to understand that until we get a solid 5-wave move up, the bearish count is not invalidated. So, but that means at the moment, I think all eyes need to be on that next upside level, $14.72. And second, next micro support here is the last swing low at $10.85. So I would take the position that I assume that we get at least to 14.72 as long as the $10.85 level is holding. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.